When you receive your new ViaTerrra Spencer riding pant, you should try it on and adjust the fit to maximize protection and comfort. Before wearing the pant, we recommend loosening the cinch straps at the calf as well as the opening zip and flap near the ankles. Make sure to also fully open the zipper and flap at the front before wearing the pant. Since ViaTerrra Spencer riding pants incorporate our proprietary focus fit and pre-curved design, it is usually easier to wear these pants while being seated. As a first step, check that the pant fits comfortably at the waist and around the thighs. The fit in both these areas should be comfortable when standing as well as when seated. If required, you can adjust the cinch straps at the waist for a better fit. Since all ViaTerrra riding gear is pre-curved to be most comfortable while riding, we recommend being seated on your motorcycle or simulating your riding posture while checking or adjusting the fit. Now, in this position, check that the armors are in the anatomically correct positions since every person's body is unique. The position of the armor might vary slightly from person to person, especially around the knee. Depending on the length and girth of your leg, you should use the cinch straps on the calf to bring the knee armor closer to your body while adjusting the cinch strap on the other leg in a similar manner. Adjust the zipper and velcro closures near the ankle to achieve a comfortable fit over your riding boot. Simulate your usual riding position to check comfort and dial in to your fit. Wearing the pant for at least 5 to 10 minutes usually also helps you get accustomed to the fit.